Good evening, Southeast Texas. Beautiful weather tonight, clear skies. Just look off towards the northwest here in Beaumont from the Mid-County Plumbing Skycam, part of the Roofing 911 Skycam network. So no rain expected through the weekend. Tuesday we'll go with a 20% coverage. Wednesday and also Friday as much as a 30% coverage. Now here's the deal. We're going to see a change. Moisture will be increasing across the area in the form of atmospheric moisture, and just the right wind speed and the direction coming in off the Gulf of Mexico will cause the sea breeze to develop, and that should give us a low-end scattering of showers and thunderstorms. I don't see any disturbances with that, but a lot of times when you have a sea breeze and a strong disturbance, boy, you could see 50, 60, 70% coverage of showers and storms. Right now, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. 30 to 40% coverage is the most I could see at this point, possibly Wednesday and Friday. So we'll see how that pans out. But again, that front has moved all the way to along the coastline. No weather really associated with it except an increase in cloud cover this afternoon and evening, as the atmosphere was just too dry for any development of showers and storms. We're at 74 in Port Arthur. MJ is at 82, 72 currently into Orange. A little cooler up in the lakes, 64 into Jasper and in Woodville. Travis is at 66. Jim Monk over in Warren at 65. And you can see some of that cooler air filtering on down around high pressure to the north of this front. Temperatures in the 80s, but it's a dry heat over into West Texas and into South Texas. It's hot and humid out there. Otherwise, just not a lot going on across the area. It's pretty quiet except for this front that's going to lift back to the north as a warm front, and that is due to high pressure building on in. That helps to turn our winds around towards the north and east in the upper levels. But nice ridge coming in and building over the weekend over our area should preclude us from seeing any rainfall as high pressure then tries to build in from the north and east. So looks pretty quiet here the next few days until we head on into the midweek. So tonight, clear skies as temperatures fall into the lower and middle 60s. Then as we go towards tomorrow afternoon, after a cool start, lots of sun. And then here goes that warm front. And guess what? The muggies will be back tomorrow night and especially on Sunday. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 2 feet. Tomorrow we'll see east and south winds at 10 knots. Water temperature at 80 degrees. If you're going to be outside tomorrow, I don't care what you're doing, please slap on the sunscreen. Otherwise, lots of sun tomorrow, but lots of clear real estate tonight as skies go clear. About 60 in the lakes, mid 60s in the triangle. Tomorrow, beautiful day. Still fairly low humidity with highs in the lower 90s. So quiet weather through the weekend, but the moisture comes right back into our area. Looking fantastic on Memorial Day. Dry weather should start out in the mid-70s, rising to around 90 in the afternoon. Then as we head on into the mid part of the week, we will see rounds of moisture moving in across our area each afternoon, and that will contribute to convection in the form of the sea breeze each afternoon, as you can see. So we'll go with a 30% coverage Wednesday and again on Friday.